Welcome back in. This is North of the Broad, and we're filming at the Pat Conroy Literary Center, and we've had a good time so far. Lots more to come. Right now, we're going to talk a little bit about Fripp Island Resort, and joining me to do just that is John Scappatura, who's here. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you. Thank you very much.
A pleasure to have you. I'm very excited to learn a little bit about this, but I want to make sure our viewers know, first of all, very exciting, under new ownership. Tell us about that.
So we're very excited. Joe Guerra and Adam Fuller are the two owners now that have both been in the hospitality and resort business for over 30 years. Ken Guerra, who's our CMO, Tom Frost, our general manager, and myself are lucky enough to have worked with Joe for over 30 years. So we're really excited. We were able to purchase the island on January 12th of this year. So we're excited and new and just getting started.
Wow, that's great. And that's nice that you have that little bit of history working together too, so you can revisit some of that and what works well. There is a lot actually happening within the resort, including some major renovation projects. Let's talk about the current ones to start. What's underway right now?
So currently, they talk about on the Golden Gate Bridge that you start on one end, and by the time you finish, you start over again, and that's kind of where we are right now. We're painting and rebuilding every one of the 22 different buildings that are there on the island. We've purchased a new boat, a Fripper boat that we had that did excursions and cruises and dolphin tours. We're having that one refurbished, and we built a new one that'll hold more people and have a really nice bar on there for long-term trips.
Wow.
And then we're going through a remodel and a renovation of all the furniture, fixtures, updating bars, trying to add additional hours. We've got a new food truck, the High Tide Pizza truck that we just started, and also the Big Dipper, which is a big ice cream truck that we have now as well. So we're trying to add to the amenities that we have there on the island to make more things to do. We're really trying to make it to where the resort is more full year as well, so it's not just a seasonal resort, so we can give homeowners and members things to do throughout the entire year. So.
Wow, that is a lot happening all at one time, really. But let's discuss, that's the short-term vision, and there's some long-term plans as well. So sounds like you are thinking future. Let's talk about it.
Absolutely. So long-term plans, we want to look at every restaurant, every outlet that we have. We have an amazing beach. We have an amazing amenity center for our recreation department, for all the animals and training and education that we do there. We have a great marina, but all of these businesses and buildings have been there for a long time, and we're trying to look at how do you renovate and make it to where it's now going to be something that the next generation of people coming to Fripp are interested in seeing. So we're upgrading restaurants, bars, outdoor seating, looking at additional pool options and remodeling the pools and redesigning the pools, and that'll be our 5 to 10 year plan.
Wow. Okay. Well, you've got a vision and I like it. Let's discuss a little bit about, obviously this is all going to bring about some growth, and you're hiring to sort of accommodate that, as well as not just the resort itself, but it sounds like potentially more long-term year-round folks visiting, so you need people.
Absolutely. We need a lot of people. And right now it's a difficult thing in this market. We want to be one of the employers of choice in town. We've changed people's payroll. We're working on different amenity plans where they can use the island and have a great time while they're out there. We're trying to be one of those places where people want to work for the environment that we create as well. And we're looking to have people that can run the food trucks and run amenities. And how do we start people off in different positions and help them grow into management spots? But we could use people right now in all food and beverage positions, golf operations at the marina, in our stores, in our Fripp Ship, which is our new t-shirt and amenity store that we just built. So there's a lot of different areas that we could use some great people right now.
Do you get free pizza if you work the pizza food cart?
We can help with that, yes.
Asking
the
for
ice
a
cream
friend.
Nachos are much better though too. Those are great.
Oh my goodness, that all sounds so delicious. If you could sum it up in a minute that we have left here and what Fripp has to offer, what would you tell us?
I think the biggest thing is it's a feeling. Everybody tells us about, why they've been coming there and why there's generations for the last 30 years that have been coming there together. When you cross the bridge, you just take a deep breath, and it's different than everywhere else. It's not as commercial as many other islands. We've got 3.5 miles of beautiful beach that you can have access to. The boating is phenomenal, great fishing, phenomenal 2 golf courses. And we're working hard on better restaurants and amenities and activities to keep you there all year. Heated pools and just make you have a lot of fun and relax with your family. And it's great to see people that said, when I was there, I went down the frog slide, and now my grandkids are going down the frog slide. So it's pretty neat to see that history.
Great place to make memories.
Absolutely.
Well, you've made it very memorable here today. Lots to think about, lots to look forward to. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you very much. It was great to meet you.
You as well. And we'll see you after the break.